Hello and welcome to another episode of ViTAC University. You've bought the best kit on the market. Now let's make sure that you know how to use it. Here we go.
Let's go. Hey guys, we're going to talk about burn shield. This comes in a couple of the kits, all right? But primarily home use. It's also in our adventurer kit in case you do need it out there on the trails if you're having a campfire or whatever. But this is for when little Johnny or stupid little Lindsay here burns his hand on the stove, out on something, you know, outside the grill or whatever. You're gonna wanna dress this thing. And what the point of these are for is to draw the heat out of the wound. It's basically making it so the burn stops burning in the skin. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna try to assess wherever the wound is. Let's say it's right here. We're just gonna look at it, see what's going on, see how big we need it, just so that way we're ready when we open this thing up. And all this is like a wet gel pack. So we open this up and you're gonna see it's nice and gooey in there. All right, so I'm gonna put this on Lindsay anyway, because it'll be fun.
I want all of you to appreciate this dedication.
All right, so all this is like a little gauze pad with a bunch of gel on it, okay? So obviously I don't want my fingers on it if I'm really using this thing. But all you're gonna do is slap it on there, cover it gently, press it down nice and smooth. You don't need to press and hold pressure. You're not stopping bleeding. We're worried about the burn itself. So we wanna put that on there. This is gonna help draw heat out of that wound to make the burn stop burning its skin, right? So to help reduce damage. So you can wrap this up after you're done. You're gonna wanna use something that's non-absorbent to wrap it. So a lot of times you'll use like a cellophane even or something like that to wrap it. You can use tape for it. You can even use like a plastic bag and then use tape on top of that. So just something that kind of keeps the pressure down. Cellophane is one of the best for it. We do have some Tegaderm in some of these as well, the little transparent things. Those are for small ones.
We do have the non-absorbent pads in there, so you could take a couple of those and lay those over, and I think that those would work as well before you wrap it.
Yep. All right, but that should kick you off and you should be set. Get to your next level of care to help get a better treatment on that burn.
Love it.